grateful to you. You have given me a chance to clarify certain remarks made in the other house in
शाबाश बेटा.
my name. Sir, I rise a deep anguish. My life has always been an open book. It has been a full of
हमको सिखा रिया है.
but I have always upheld the highest values in public life. After almost 60 years in politics, I do not deserve this. Yesterday, completely false and baseless charges were hurled at me in the Lok Sabha by Sri Anurag Thakur.
हम करें तो करें, क्या बोले तो बोले.
When he was challenged by my colleagues, he was compelled to withdraw his defamatory remarks. But the damage has been done.
नहीं.
All medias have carried. Social medias are also spreading it. His statements damaging my image and reputation had already been picked up the social and other medias.
चल झूठा.
Sir, I also, Devegowda ji should also listen this. I think he is associating with me nearly 50 years.
Yes.
Sir, as leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha and as a president of the Indian National Congress, I am forced to stand up today and condemn Sri Anurag Thakur's wild allegations.
तो आओ यार शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी बकचोदी के. अब अगर तुम लोग नए
I expect an apology from the leader of House. That is the very least the ruling party can and must do. If Sri Thakur cannot prove his allegation, he has no right be in parliament. He should resign.
तेरा बाप यहाँ छोड़कर गया था कि तेरी माँ?
I seek, and if it is proved, I will resign. Even if he proves a 1 acre of walk land is occupied by me or my children, it is my challenge. If such allegations made, some papers leaving on the table and damaging us, I am not going to afraid of these things, sir.
50 बार बोल रहे हैं, पढ़ने निकले वाले छात्रों को राजनीति से दूर रहना चाहिए. हैं? अबे पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो.
I am a son of laborer. I am a textile laborers workers union. I am also a leader of the laborers, and then I became Block Congress Committee President, and today I am AICC President. Long way, and Devegowda ji was with me. I was with him. Then
you made your point.
sir, no, it hurts me. अगर मेरे जीवन में असेंबली में कोई मुझे उंगली उठा के नहीं बोला देवेगौड़ा जी यहाँ है, अगर एक बार कोई किसी ने बोला तो पूरा हाउस उठ के मेरे इसके लिए वो अपॉलॉजी मांगी. चीफ मिनिस्टर आके मेरे बाजू में बैठ के अपॉलॉजी मांगे. ऐसा आदमी मैं हूं, और मेरे लिए अगर ये बीजेपी के लोग डरा कर मुझे झुकाना चाहते हैं, मैं कभी नहीं झुकूंगा. मैं टूट जाऊंगा लेकिन झुकूंगा नहीं. ये याद रखो, डराने से मैं डरने वाला नहीं हूं. और एक एक इंच भी अगर जगह मैंने अगर किसी की ली, अरे मैंने तो उस एरिया से आता हूं साहब, जिस एरिया में मुझे एक सेगमेंट में मुस्लिम के 1,20,000 वोट मुझे मिलते हैं, 1,20,000 एक ही सेगमेंट से, और मुझे ये लगा था, और वो ठाकुर को जरा आप बुद्धि बोलिए, नहीं तो हाँ, अरे अनुराग ठाकुर भाई जात नहीं,
One second, honorable
जात नहीं
member.
बोलता,
Leader of
और
the
जात-
opposition, please, sir. You have made your points.
No, this is very.
I appreciate-
Sir, I condemn it. So I want your protection.
Yes, yes.
I want your protection.
Yes,
he should apologize.
I would.
On behalf of him, the leader of the house should apologize. This is my
One
demand.
second, one second. Honorable members, 1 second. 1 second. You see, when leader of the opposition, president of the Congress party, has made observations expressing his deep anguish, I would allow. You want to say something? And then I would react from the chair.
Chairman, sir, we heard the anguish and the words expressed by the honorable leader of the opposition. I have stated earlier also, as a colleague, we must have high regard for each other. And Malika Arjun Kharge ji, what is this?
Please.
You want to speak? You speak.
Honorable members, 1 second.
You
Honorable
speak.
members,
Let this direct operator speak.
honorable members. 1
You
second.
speak on behalf of me. You speak.
Honorable members.
Let him speak.
A little while
What
ago.
right he has to make
One
a-
second.
This kind of comment?
1 second. 1 second. Little while ago, I had the occasion to pay salutations to this august house, because it was on this day we came into being. The leader of the opposition was heard in rapt attention. Let the other point of view come, and then there's a chair to take a call on this. Let me take the call, please. No, please. You want to say something? Honorable members, honorable members, if we examine the issue critically, it boils down to certain situations. A situation, please, honorable members, we are discussing a serious issue. Take your seat. It raises two very important issues. One issue is that a member of parliament uses the great privilege of being member of the house, which has a constitutional protection, because anything said by a member in the house, there is no civil recourse and no criminal.